Hello and welcome to a new lesson in Linux. In this lesson we will learn how to install the graphical user interface from CentOS Minimal. And to install the graphical user interface, first you will type yum group install, and then you will open a quotation and you will type desktop, close the quotation, and then open another one and type desktop platform. Then you will open another quotation and type X window system, and then open the last quotation and type fonts and close the quotation. And by this command here I will install the desktop and the desktop platform and the X window system and the fonts, and I'll press enter. It will now start the installation process. This may take some time, so I'll pause the video until it finishes and I'll be back. Okay, now here the next step is that it will ask you to press yes to continue the installation, and you can see here it will install 482 package, and the upgrades will be 13 packages, and the total download size will be 311 megabytes. So I will press on Y and then enter to continue the installation process. And now I'll pause the video until it finishes and I'll be back. Okay, now it has successfully downloaded all of the packages. It will start now the installation of each package, and I'll pause the video one more time and be back when it finishes its installation. Okay, now the GNOME interface is successfully installed. Let's start the interface, but I'll not start it from here. I will do it from the VirtualBox. So I will close the shell and open the VirtualBox. Okay, now I have installed the GNOME interface. To start the GNOME interface, I'll type the command start X and enter. It will now start opening the GNOME interface. And as you see over here, this is how the GNOME interface looks like. You might find a message here in the middle of the screen that you are logged in with a user root. It will be a warning message. So if you find it, just click on don't show this again. And by this lesson we have learned how to install the GNOME interface, and in the next lessons we will be learning some other few things about the desktop. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lesson.